What's going on, guys? Shut that door. What's going on, guys? Today, got another mystery tackle box. Looks a little beat up, but we'll go ahead and get in here. All right. First off, I'm trying to get it out. All right. First off, we have the Frog Popper by Live Target, and it retails for $14.99. I'll take that out for you. It looks like a frog.
It don't look like a frog to me. Like, take it. Oh, it looked like a.
That was surprisingly easy.
And this is the Frog Popper. I'm surprised I got a Live Target in here.
I'm just. Oh, let me put it. Oh, that thing is soft.
Alright, and next thing we got a casting Booza Bug by Stan Sloan's Baits. And here's a jig, a black jig, and a 3/8 ounce.
So we getting pizza?
Here's a jig right here. I like this jig. I don't like to fish with jigs, but I'm going to at least try it. Probably won't catch anything because I'm not that good at it. And we got the Little Otter by Gambler. And right here, I like it. I guess this is a black pearl or black and blue. I like that. That's kind of alright.
Oh.
Probably put that on the jig. No, a lot like. Smell a lot like garlic.
Oh.
Oh boy. And for the next thing, we got Swimming Grub by Ketco. Oh yeah, by the way, on my last mystery tackle box, I caught one fish on a little zipper dipper. That wasn't that good. It doesn't say the color, but I guess this would be. It's not pearl. I don't know what you call this, but that looks kind of weird. Probably put that on a shaky head, or just I don't know. Probably just put that on a. You know, Mr. Tackle Box come with hooks, so probably just put on these hooks in here. We got some Daiichi plastic offset wide gap. Let's see what probably just gonna rig them with that. And that's $1.40. And I've never seen a sticker like this, but got a sticker like that this month. I'd like to get another mystery tackle box sticker.
Hello. Tell Mama. I'll tell her. So I'm gonna tell her when can I do mystery tackle box.
Peanut, you don't even fish.
I do.
When?
Whenever Will goes fishing sometimes.
Alright, anyway, here we go. Let's see, we got the Double Digest. Why do fish jump? 3 secrets to cracking laydowns. Bridge fishing. 3 places square bills dominate the bite. And then let's see what this says. Follow us on Snapchat at Mystery Tackle Box, at Mystery Tackle BX. To stay up on our snaps, take a snap of the code. the swim bot. In the not so distant future, in the dark, empty remains our local pond, the swim bot rules. Brought back to life from deadly snag, the swim bot patrols decaying bottom looking for revenge on the last fish he was ever hooked into. He swims the open, destroying every remaining bass he sees until he finds the last lunker. Don't get in his way. Get your limited edition swim bot apparel design at MrStackbox.com. Apparel. Alright, go follow Mr. Stackbox on Snapchat. I'll probably do it later. I don't feel like it right now. But how do I feel about this munch box? Well, I'm not too confident. I'm real confident that I can catch something on that and go for a real early bite with that. So, and then maybe catch something on this jig, I don't know. But go follow Mr. Stackbox on Snapchat, and y'all have a good one.